Okay, YouTube friends, let's make some salmon patties. Now, if you haven't already, go ahead and open up your can of salmon and start breaking it up into pieces. The next thing you want to do is crack open 2 eggs and add that to your salmon. Okay, next start adding 1/4 flour. And then once you're done doing that, add 1/4 of cornmeal. Now go ahead and grab a spoon and start stirring up your salmon mix. Then after that, add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. The next thing is to add your red onions if you want onions in your salmon mix. Now it's time to start frying our salmon patties. Make sure your temp is on 350 and cook until it's brown and crispy.